You are watching AI Made Simple, where we make technology, AI, and online tools easy to understand. So in today's tutorial, you are going to learn how to create free AI dancing videos with just free 100% AI. Do you know that you can create dancing videos just with AI? So if you are new here, consider subscribing and let's get started to it. So before we get started, I'm going to show you a video now, which is going to be an example for what I'm going to be teaching you today. So watch this video. So you might be wondering, how did I make this video? I made this video just by using Google Gemini and CapCut AI. So how did I do that? First thing I'm going to take you to my Google Gemini. So now when you get to Google Gemini, first of all, you need an image. It may be a lady, a woman, a man, whatever character you wish you want to use for the dancing video. You can even use an image of yourself. Okay, so you're going to click on create image. Then let's describe our image. Create a 9:16 of a party guy in a suit. Okay, I'm doing this to show you how I get an image of my own. Although I already created an image of my own, but I just want to show you how I do that because I will be using that as an example. So let's see what Google Gemini is going to generate for us. So as you can see, an image has already been generated for us. So let's save this image now. Let's save this image. I don't even know, maybe it has been saved. Okay. The image has already been saved. So the next thing I'm going to tell you now is, for your dancing video, for your dancing video to be more clear, you're going to need a video of someone dancing. So you're going to need a video of someone dancing. So you can go to your TikTok.
Saw 3 cars. Well, all my scamming ass niggas say, spending that money fast, 20s, 50s, 100s cash.
Let's use this guy dancing, right? You need to save the image of this guy. So let's save this now. After you have already saved it, you're going to head back, go to your CapCut, then you click on new video. Then after click on the new video, you click on the image that you saved from Google Gemini. Then after clicking on the image, then you're going to click on the image again. Then you are going to look for mimic action. You're going to look for a mimic action, so you're going to click on mimic action, then you're going to wait for it. After that, you're going to upload the video. So you might save any video of the dance you wish to use. So I just saved that to show you as an example. So you're going to upload the video now. So let's make the video so you can see. If it's more than these seconds, the CapCut won't allow it. So I'm going to bring in the video now. Then I'm going to add it. So as you can see, my video has been uploaded. So I'm going to generate it now. So you can either use the Move 2.0, the Move 1.5, the Move 1.0, but I'm going to be using Move 2.0. So I'm going to generate the video now so you can see what I'm trying to show you guys. Okay, it seems this one requires you to be a pro user, so I'm not going to use that. So I'm going to use this move 1.5 and let's see what it's going to do. Okay, so we're going to give it time to apply the feature to it and let's see what it's going to do. As you can see that the feature has been applied and the motion has been generated. So let's play the video and let's see.
Where all my scamming ass niggas say, spend that money fast, 20s, 50s, 100s cash, boy going that go out there.
Now you can see what you have done there. You can see that it did exactly what that guy did. What I saved with you can see that it did exactly what it did. So that is how you can use your Google Gemini and CapCut to do your AI dancing video. So I'm sure with this you'll be able to do your own by yourself. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe.